Here's the Google Pixel Watch 5. I'm going to show you how to set this up step by step. First thing is go ahead and turn it on. Press and hold that crown button until it boots up. Once you get here, the Gemini Intelligence, you might have to wait a little bit. Also, FYI, in order to charge this, the previous Pixels, you put it here on the bottom. With this one here, you don't put it down here, you put it on the side there to charge it. Just FYI. Anyway, once it boots up, you can click on the letter I for information. Let's tap on that. And for this, I'm going to choose English for the United States for myself. Now next, we need to download the Google Pixel Watch. So go ahead and get your phone. Now, if you already had the Google Watch app loaded previously, on the same phone, you may get a pop-up here that automatically find it, okay? If not, no big deal. But the first thing, of course, if you don't have the Pixel Watch app, you need to go ahead and download it. Just go to search at the Play Store and type in Pixel Watch app, and it looks like this right here, that icon right there, okay? And so it's this one here. So once you download that, we're gonna go ahead and open that up. Open that up. And then once you install this first, you should get here, okay? If you already had the Pixel Watch app loaded previously from a different watch on the same phone, then you may have to go up here, tap like on the backspace and tap on the plus to add a device. Anyway, this is a fresh new install on this phone here, and I'm gonna tap on Setup Watch. I'm gonna allow. It's close by, looks like it found it. Oops, let's add watch again. Setup watch. And it says choose a watch to set up, so the Pixel Watch 5, that's it right there. Oh, okay, there we go. And read all through that, then tap on agree. Trying to connect. Oh, it looks like I get some digits that pop up right there. All right, it couldn't connect because I think I need to sign into my Google account. So let me go ahead and sign in here. I want to continue as me down there. Signing in now. Terms of service, go ahead and read through all of this here. And then once you get to the bottom, if you agree, tap on agree. Limited warranty information, you can read through that if you wish. Let me tap on continue. Set watch orientation. So for myself, I'm going to keep it on my left hand, and the crown is going to be on the right hand side. So just like that, and I will tap on continue. And it says here, your watch is ready for more. If you want to set up more, you can tap on there, or you can do it later. For myself, I'm just going to start using the watch now. Just give me a chime here. It says starting. And it says ready to explore here. You can go ahead and click on done. And you can read through here. You can change your watch faces, notifications, watch preferences. You have system, you can factory reset, and all the settings are in here. And it looks like we're all up and running here. Anyway, questions or issues, comment below.